Hello students, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. We are going to talk briefly about conclusion paragraph format. So the first part of a conclusion paragraph should be the restating the thesis from your introduction paragraph in fresh words. You shouldn't copy and paste the exact thesis because you'll sound like a robot, but you should use fresh language to slate the same idea. Next part of a conclusion paragraph would be, why does this matter anyway? Leave behind the novel/topic/issue and explain the bigger reason why the reader should care. Answer the so what. You should do that in 1 to 2 sentences. And the last sentence should leave the reader nodding in agreement and feeling glad that they bothered to read your essay. Stumped, use a famous quote that connects to the idea in the previous sentence. Cited, of course. Also, if you need to use a quote as your hook, don't use one as your kicker. Sample conclusion paragraph. So the original thesis is, ultimately Hearst uses a complicated relationship between Doodle and Brother to show that love always contains some drops of poison. So when the person restated the thesis, they stated, when one considers the story's elements of foreshadowing and symbolic use of various shades of red, it is clear that resentment is a common side effect of love. So the answering the so what is, every child is taught that hate is the opposite of love, yet Hearst reveals that those two things are actually part of the same powerful emotion. And the kicker or lingering thought is, just as there can be no light without dark, the human's heart can't help but create some bitterness as it seeks the sweetness of love. Please keep in mind that this paragraph does not say you, I, me, we at all. Okay, we do not say those in academic writing. Another example, I'm not going to read this one to you, and I'm not going to read this one to you. We're going to look at our assignment for today. So directions. In the box below, write a conclusion paragraph where you summarize the main points of the introduction paragraph in your own words. Aim to write 4 to 5 sentences. Really aim to write 3 to 5. I'll go ahead and change that. So prompt is here. Okay, introduction paragraph is here. You are basically summing this up in your own words and writing it down here as your conclusion paragraph. Please let me know if you have any questions and have a wonderful day.